Welcome to prequel memes. I'm really tired. Have fun. Dads, when the gas price rises by 0.02 cents. This is outrageous, it's unfair. I am a grown man. I am a big adult. I can do this. Arresting the Chancellor, the Council, Mace Windu. What inspired you to kidnap and then help the Jedi so many times? Money. My girlfriend. Her parents greeting me with hello there, me meeting them for the first time. Palpatine on a Senate Zoom call. Palpatine right after the call ends. Similar to prequel memes, are sequel memes. Liar. She's got the high ground. She underestimates our power. The entire Jedi Order. Obi-Wan, Anakin and Ahsoka doing what they want. Obi-Wan, I hope my children have a good relationship growing up. How society wants women to dress. How women want to dress. Obi-Wan Kenobi coming to tell everybody he killed Grievous. Anakin joining the dark side. All the dead Jedi. IDC, how boring life gets. I'm not watching a damn Star Wars movie. The ability to speak does not make you intelligent. Why Rey should get her own spin-off movie. The franchise's first female Jedi deserves a spot up there with Solo and Kenobi. Am I a joke to you? Padme, you're going down the path I can't follow. Anakin. Obi-Wan. 8-year-old me watching the OT with my dad. Me. Dad, I think Han Solo is Indiana Jones. You are awfully cute, but unfortunately for you, you are also a child. Me. Makes prequel Minecraft meme. 2 people like it. Me. I love democracy. Me when I use my mom's phone. Font size. Brightness. Sound. Number of apps open. Execute Order 66. Order 66 coming up. Enjoy your meal. If someone offered you 1 million to watch the same movie for 24 hours straight, could you do it, and what movie do you choose? Episode 3. Revenge of the Sith. My state is bigger than your state. Alaska. Oh, I don't think so. I'll take care of this, Obi-Wan, you go find your girlfriend. Right. No, Anakin. She's not my dad. Why does Lego Dooku look exactly like George Lucas? Master Skywalker, you and Ahsoka would make a great couple. When you are a clone out enjoying a nice meal, but then the chip in your brain instructs you to kill all the Jedi. Where girls cried, where boys cried, everyone is crying. This was prequel memes. Leave a like and subscribe if enjoyed.